Hi everyone, Robb here, drummer with the Caplins here in Glasgow, Scotland. I've been playing drums now for 18 years in various genres of bands, including metal, punk, ska, and now with my current band, alternative rock. I've chosen to play with Collision's 5As. They're very well balanced. I love the natural finish. Rather than a gloss or a varnish, I prefer that for extra grip. I'm a hard hitter, so 5Bs were just a wee bit too heavy for me. I'd be replacing heads constantly if that was the case. So 5A Collision sticks, they're the ones for me. They're very hard wearing, which I'm very impressed with. I have been using these sticks for the past 3 rehearsals, and look at the wear on these, if you can see that. Very little wear at all. So today I'm going to play a song called 3 by the Caplins. It's the last one we released. Very hard hitting, full of energy. Cheers.